Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to stay organized and become rich. It's Dave Williams from the Vino Institute of Development, where we help you to plan, strategize, develop, grow, and build a healthy, successful life, family, and brand. If you're new here, please try as much as possible. Make sure to click on the like button and also subscribe on our channel. Everything we are going to explain to you here is from life experiences. Let's jump right into it. Please stay with us till the end of the video. Number one is you need to pray. I don't know who or what you believe in, but you need to pray. The second one is study. You make sure that you study. You study the business background, you study the company where you're working, you study whatever you are doing. Until you study, there is no way you can make a difference. There is no way you can be extraordinary. Yes, you need to study your environment, study whatever you are into. Until that is done, you keep struggling. And the next one here on my list is to plan. You need to plan. Yes, planning is everything. Until you plan, you can never succeed. So you need to plan to succeed. If you fail to plan, you have already planned to fail. You need to make a routine list. A routine list, it's very vital, it's very important. Whatever you want to do, whoever you want to become, even in the nearest future, you need a plan for yourself. You see, that's why the plan came before the routine list. You make a list because after planning, you need to list them out. Clear your plans. You need to clear your plans. Whatever plans you have, don't let them linger for long. Don't let them stay there for long. Don't let them stay idle. Clear them. Make sure you fulfill them. Make sure you work towards them. Make sure you pursue them. Make sure you see to it that this plan works, that this plan comes through. Until you put it as a priority, as it has been written down, you will not achieve it. So today, please try as much as possible to clear your plans. And the next one on my list is work. Work is very important. There is no way you want to be successful that you wouldn't have to work. You have to work. Work is very important. Don't be deceived by people that tell you that they did this, they did that. Even the slightest thing that you're going to do, as long as you want to be organized and be successful, you have to work. If you have to be organized, it means that you have to put some proper alignment. Until you do that, your plans can't work. If you see that work has also played a role there, work is very important. Spend less. Spend less. Stop spending all your salaries. Stop spending all your money to please anyone. Stop spending all your money on clothing. Stop spending all your money on things that you know that are not important in your life at that moment. I got to realize that people just spend money because they have it. You don't just have to spend money because you have it. It has to go through a plan. When you plan it, you see that you achieve your goals easily. You have to plan. Don't just throw money. You buy Ferrari, you buy this, you buy that car, that clothes. You don't have to. You need to put them in plan. I'm not saying you shouldn't wear clothes. I'm not saying you shouldn't have nice cars or nice houses. No. But it needs to be planned. Yes, let me tell you something. You need to believe in yourself. And until you start working like it's your last breath you're taking in that business, in your workplace, you will never grow from the level you are to another level. Yeah. You need to work it out. You need to fight it out. You need to believe in who you are. You need to believe that you can achieve it. To reach out. You have to strive. You have to tell people. You have to work it out. You have to meet people. You have to discuss with people. You have to go out there. You need to put yourself in risk and reach out and make sure that you make it. You have to reach out. Next one is you need to stay in business. You need to stay in your career path. You need to stay. Keep investing the time. It will give you the profit you're fighting for. Believe, work in it. Yes. Stay there. Stay. Don't give up now. Don't give up now. If you have stayed in there for 3 months, 6 months, I'm telling you, it's going to work. Stay in there. Hold on fame. Hold on tight. Don't look around. Don't mind what people are saying. Don't mind how many people are falling off. Hold on to it. And the last one here is start again. You need to start again. Again and again and again. You need to start again. Yes, of course. You need to start again. Whatever it is, start again. Yes, please, start again. I'm talking to you. Start again. Thank you for staying with us till the end of this section of how to stay organized and become rich. I would like to hear from you. You can drop your thoughts, comments on the comment section down below. If you need us, if you need me to talk to you privately or personally on certain issues, I'm always available. You can reach me on the email down below, or you can follow me on my social media handles. Thank you very much.